Hi everybody, my name is Carla and I'm super excited because I am a Terminator Dark Fate fangirl extraordinaire, and today I got not only the DVD, but I got the Terminator Dark Fate card game. Yes, who knew there's an actual card game? So I'm going to unbox this with you and we'll take a look and see what is in there. So I am here unboxing the Terminator Dark Fate game. Looks like it opens from the side. Here we go. Alright, so it looks like you've got the rules here on the box. And you've got also a little instruction booklet here. That also goes through the cards. Oh my god, it's Grace and Sarah, my favorite. Excellent. And we have these cards here. So, let's see, you have different game pieces here. And then you have the cards. It looks like 1 stack, 2 stack, 3 stacks. Oh, it's Grace, the future soldier, my favorite character. These are the character cards. These are player cards, and there's several duplicates of these. These are some more cards from the deck. Looks like this one here is from the deleted scene. More cards from the deck. And so here I have these cards separated out by character in case you have a favorite character. So we've got these cards for the Rev 9. We've got these cards for Carl. And these ones for Carl versus the Rev 9. For Carl and Sarah. So this is Grace. For those Danny and Grace fangirls and shippers out there, here they are. Here are the Sarah cards. Here is Danny. And here are some group cards. As you know, a Terminator movie isn't a Terminator movie without lots of cool weapons, so here are the options. Here are some action cards for you. I'm especially interested in these cards that feature moments that weren't in the film. Here are some location cards. And here is the endoskeleton here and lots of wound cards. I'm definitely guessing you don't want one of those. So I haven't played the game yet, as I just got it, but now after taking a look at these cards, I'm super excited. I can't wait to nerd out about this. So I will have to get back to you on the game. I do see that there is a YouTube video on how to play it, so if the directions aren't enough for you, seems like there's a lot there that you can draw from, but I hope these cards are helpful for you. And I'm super excited about this game. I wish there was more Dark Fate merch for us, but this actually looks really comprehensive. There's a lot of games here, and game cards rather, and just looking at them all, I think this is going to be a really fun game, so I'm excited.